Good afternoon, everyone. This is a video to talk about how Southeast Community College is navigating this conversion from a physical environment to primarily a virtual environment. And the purpose of these videos is just to show how at the administrative level and specifically how myself as the president is embracing this opportunity to not only continue our responsibilities, but to innovate and create and try to do things maybe slightly differently, but certainly making sure we can continue very effectively and grow from this experience. So I'm going to talk about how important it is during this virtual time that we have access to data so we can continue to make very smart decisions. So I'm going to share my screen, and I am going to show you one of my favorite places to go is our fact book. So if we go quick links down to institutional research, and we go over to the fact book link under navigate, we click on that, and we scroll down a little bit. I'm going to talk about course enrollment. It's very relevant to what we're trying to do at the college right now. If we look at this report, it is interactive, and if you look over here where it says location, you can see that we're looking at the number of sections. So let's change that to course enrollment. And then with course enrollment, we'll change that. We'll actually leave it on the spring term. And you can see we have about almost 7,000 course enrollments associated with our online course enrollment. So that's about 26% of our total course enrollment. Remember, these numbers represent multiple students, so we would call that duplicated data. In other words, one student taking 3 classes would be counted 3 times. Well, what's interesting here, I'm going to annotate this, and this is what we're about to do starting March the 30th. We're going to go from about 7,000 online enrollments to well over 20,000. If you look at the other campuses, you can see we are 11,000 in Lincoln, almost 3,000 in Milford, and almost 2,000 course enrollments in Beatrice. So this is quite the endeavor, but being able to look at data and respond to the data is very, very important during this time at the college. Again, we want to make smart decisions, and we want to make decisions based on data. Fortunately, we had put these mechanisms and this infrastructure in place several years ago, and it has just continued to grow. In addition to this public website, we also have a product called Tableau, which allows us to create dashboards for our various areas. So again, we're embracing the virtual environment, and we certainly are continuing to embrace the data. Well, that's the end of this video. We'll have a number of videos during this sort of dynamic time to show how we are continuing to navigate our responsibilities and, in fact, try to grow and learn from them. All right, everyone, have a great rest of the day, and we will see you later.